So today's video, I'm wanting to use this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Screamin. And this week I've been using the Foil Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And so I was kind of playing around with this yesterday and this and created this cool yellow eye look. But the thing is it kind of, didn't perfectly match because there was just a little too much yellow. And so I think today I'm gonna do a purpley gold eye makeup look and then use this as like the main eyeliner, because that's been another thing I've been sort of admiring in other Instagrams and stuff, is instead of using like a black eyeliner, they're using like cool colorful gel liners or different colors as their top winged eyeliner. So I'm going to do that now because I like to follow the trends. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So first up, I think I'm going to go into this really bright purpley shade at the bottom here. This guy. And I'm going to use that I'm going to use that to shape my eye. And I do not have my contacts in. And my mirror is really far away, so let's move that closer. Sorry, audio, because that's the other thing, is I have the my audio really close by, so now I'm just going to shape that. To blend that shade out, I'm going to go into this second to the top purple using this Urban Decay brush here. I'm going to use that to blend that other purple out and kind of smoke it out a little more. So after that, I'm going to now take the brightest yellow shade and put that in my inner corner, using just the other side of that Urban Decay brush to do it. So I think for the actual lid, I'm going to use this like sort of minty green or blue green, I don't know. And just to make sure that it really packs on nicely, I'm going to spray this flat brush with some Milani Make It Dewy. It's a setting spray, so it should be fine. I guess we'll find out. I think maybe I was supposed to do the eyeshadow then spray it on, but it's whatever. This is definitely very colorful, I will say that. And I think to add a little more depth to the outer corner, I'm going to go in to this sort of grayish blue black color here. I think it's more like a dark gray. I'm just gonna put that in here and hope that the neon eyeliner just works good on top of it. Okay, now that I have that outer part done, I'm now going to go in with the neon eyeliner and we'll see how that looks. I'm going to use this because I don't want to have to do it, but I can't, I have to. Use just that to kind of bring it out more. Ooh, this is fun. definitely different. Except I'm getting a lot of gunk on the pencil itself. There we go. That's interesting. So now that I have the eyeliner there, I'm now gonna go into that first purple shade and I'm gonna sweep it down my lower lash line. I didn't want to do that before just because I didn't know, I wanted to make sure that the line was sort of clean. And I'm gonna go in with that same other brush into, I didn't use it before, but I'm gonna use it for the lower lash line, this top purple shade. Kind of sweep under it even more. I think I want to make that yellow wing bigger if possible. Let's give it a go. Okay. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna go into that frosty white at the top. And I'm just gonna sweep that on my brow bone. Finish it off. So let's do the other eye. All right, both eyes are done. It's looking very colorful, which I actually really like. It's very different, so that's pretty cool. I do think I need something in my lower lash line, so I'm going to be using some NYX Faux Whites in White Smoke, and it's sort of a light purple white shade, so we're going to pop that in really fast. I think it really complements the look. Definitely a look. I'm excited about it. All right, so let's curl some lashes, put on some mascara. I think I am also going to put on some false lashes. I'll also do some blush and highlighter. So guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I think it's really cool looking, very different, and I don't think I mentioned this at the beginning, but this LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner gel pencil is only $3.99, so it's one of the cheaper options at the drugstore, and they had it in like a bright green. They also had them in like neon lip liners, and they also had like a black and stuff too. And I'd say that it's pretty pigmented. I feel like I have some older wrinkly eyes, so that's definitely apparent. But if you are looking for kind of a different way to do your eyeliner, or you like neon colors, I definitely think you should check them out because they turned out pretty cute. And yes, I will be going out with this. I think it turned out really good, and it's just something different and fun, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you give it a try, and I'll see you next time. Bye!